Hello, in today's video we will be looking at how to make a scene public in Central. In our previous video, how to create a scene, we learned that in Central, scenes can only be created by those with editor permission or higher, and that scenes are different from comments because they belong at the project level rather than the revision. But scenes in Central are also different to comments in that they can be shared publicly. Today, we'll make a scene public so that the users that are not part of our central server can see it. Let's start by searching and selecting our working project. Remember that we can find our scenes either on the overview page under the pinned scenes, by clicking on a revision and going to the Scenes tab next to the Projects Tree tab, or by going to the Scene tab at the project level. Let's click on one of our scenes. Once our scene has been loaded in the web visualization, we can click on the arrow icon. The Share Scene window will open, presenting us with the option for how or with who we would like to share the revision. Scenes can be shared in multiple ways, one of which is private sharing, which allows you to share a scene with other project users. This can be an easy way to update a member of the team who might have otherwise tune out their notifications. We can copy the shared link and send it directly to them. The user can then paste the link into the preferred browser to get redirected to our scene. All project viewers, editors, and owners can share a private link for projects that they have access to. We may also decide to make a scene public so that we can engage with a wider audience beyond the members of our team. Only project owners can share a scene publicly. To do this, let's click on the lock slider at the top of the Share Scene window. Central will then generate a window confirming if we want to make the scene public. Let's click on Yes, and this is going to take a snapshot of the scene at this point in time in this revision and make it available. From this point, we have two options for sharing. One, on the Link tab, you can copy the link and share it with the other people that are not part of the central server. An example might be an investor. Or on the Embedded tab, you can copy the HTML code to embed the scene in an iframe on your website. With the link, the individual would get access to view the scene in 3D right in the web browser. There is no sign-in needed for this, and they'll be able to use the slicer and the ruler tool to interrogate the model. If you decide to make the link private again, the individuals that were sent the public link will no longer have access to the scenes. Remember, scenes can only be created by those with owner permissions and can be shared if you either are an editor or an owner.